That New York nurse is believed to be the first person in the U.S. to receive the coronavirus vaccine. And joining us now, the woman who administered the historic shot, Dr. Michelle Chester. She is Director of Employee Health Services at Northwell Health, which operates Long Island Jewish Medical. And thank you so much for joining us. That must have been quite a moment, delivering the first shot.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. At the time, I really didn't know that it was the first shot, but it was truly, humbling moment to be able to do that.
With the hope of the vaccine on the way, but also for most Americans many, many months away, what are your thoughts moving forward, knowing that folks on the front line will be vaccinated, but there is still a long way to go in this pandemic? From your experience, what are your prognostications, but also advice for people?
So this is the light at the end of the tunnel. And we truly have to be patient and wait, to get the vaccine. But in order to make this work, we have to make sure that we continue to follow the guidelines, socially distancing, wearing our mask, washing our hands, and not having large gatherings. With following those guidelines, along with the vaccine, we can defeat this. This is something that is giving us that huge light at the end of the tunnel. It's still a long tunnel, but again, it's up to us to do our part to assist in stopping this pandemic. So with those things in place, along with the vaccine, it's a good prognosis for the future.
Dr. Chester, it's Willie Geist. Thanks so much for being here this morning, and thanks for what you do every day. That was a beautiful moment. I heard from a lot of people who literally were in tears watching you administer that vaccine, that shot, given what we've all been through over the last 9 or 10 months. That was a moment for history right there. What do you believe is the symbolism of that shot, though? Because we know there are a lot of people in this country, and frankly, we've heard from healthcare workers who are skeptical about these early doses. What would you say to people who are debating whether or not they may take the vaccine when it's available?
I will tell you that let science speak for itself. Healthcare is based upon science, and the efficacy of this vaccine has proven itself. And I always tell people, what do we have to lose that we haven't lost already? So many has passed away because of this pandemic. And this is the opportunity that we all should give this vaccine a chance to propel us into the new beginning of ending COVID-19.
Well said.
Absolutely. Dr. Michelle Chester, thank you very, very much.
Thanks for checking out MSNBC on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the day's biggest stories. And you can click on any of the videos around us to watch more from Morning Joe and MSNBC. Thanks so much for watching.